Hello everyone. Just a week after the ANC announced its intention to expel former Secretary General Ace Magashule, President Cyril Ramaphosa has approved a special investigating unit to probe into the dealings of the Free State Premier's office, particularly those during Magashule's tenure. This opens the door for law enforcement officials to shine a light on Magashule's bursary payments to students while he was the Free State Premier. Ramaphosa said that the SIU may investigate allegations that have been made concerning the affairs of the office of the Premier of the Free State. It's alleged that there may have been serious maladministration in connection with the affairs of the office of the Premier, improper or unlawful conduct by employees of the office of the Premier, and that unlawful expenditure of public money may have occurred as a result of Magashule's bursary scheme. 2 years ago, the City Press reported that a director at the Free State Premier's office during Magashule's tenure requested exorbitant scholarships for herself, a private individual, and 2 government officials to study in the US. At that time, Sheila Goldina Mazibuko was the director of the Intergovernmental Relations. The scholarships were detailed in a report, according to City Press, titled Approval for Scholarships for 4 Students to Study at BAU International University in Washington, D.C. in the U.S. and special leave for 3 Free State provincial government officials. This request was said to have been submitted by Mazibuko to December 2017 and approved by Magashule. According to her request, each recipient was awarded close to 1 million rand a year to study towards a 2-year executive master's in business administration MBA program at the Washington-based university. Magashule was quoted as having at that time, "I don't deal with processes. When it comes to me, I note or I approve." Nothing wrong happened there. The proclamation by Ramaphosa only instructs the SIU to investigate whether there was any unlawful or improper conduct by any person which has caused or may have caused serious harm to the interest of the public or any category thereof. It further states that the SIU should look into incidents that took place between 1 January 2018 and the date of the publication of this proclamation, but are relevant to, connected with the incidental or ancillary to the matters mentioned in the schedule or involve the same persons, entities, or contracts investigated under the authority of this proclaim. Ace Magashule has maintained his innocence, claiming that all allegations against him are politically motivated, given his political beliefs, which were poles apart from that of the president and his allies who now dominate in the ANC's National Executive Committee, the party's highest decision-making body. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.